Japanese automakers Toyota and Suzuki are planning to form a capital alliance to develop the next generation technologies. Now, Toyota will reportedly purchase a 5% stake in Suzuki for $910 million, while Suzuki will buy a $453 million holding in Toyota. The equity tie-up is an extension of a 2017 deal and will now accelerate plans to develop self-driving and other new technologies. Neither firm has confirmed the reports, but they have in the past said they would carefully consider a collaboration. Automakers are facing increasingly competitive headwinds in an industry that faces enormous changes with the rise of electric vehicles, ride-hailing and autonomous driving. Now, both Toyota and Suzuki shares have struggled on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Toyota dropping 0.7% over the past year, while Suzuki plunging more than 30%. Now, they were both in the red today, even before the announcement.